The Honorable Supreme Court should very seriously consider Suo Moto taking cognizance of this dangerous speech of Mamata Banerjee. The West Bengal Chief Minister's dangerous and inflammatory speech yesterday was nothing short of a brazen threat, a blatant intimidation, and an open provocation to incite and unleash unrest in our entire nation. The Honorable Supreme Court should very seriously consider Suo Moto taking cognizance of this dangerous speech of Mamata Banerjee, in which she makes a dreaded declaration saying if Bengal burns, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Northeast and even Delhi will burn. This language of treason, this language of hate and division could very well disturb, disrupt and destabilize the peace not only in West Bengal but in the entire nation. The peace could be destabilized because of such statements. As far as Mamata Banerjee's statement of Bengal is burning is concerned, Bengal is indeed burning. Bengal is burning with public outrage at which how Mamata Banerjee has failed as the only woman chief minister in this country. She has failed, the women of West Bengal, and she's also betrayed the trust and faith of our mothers, daughters and sisters of not only West Bengal, of the entire nation in providing justice to the trainee doctor who was raped and murdered, in the Kolkata hospital. And yesterday, the people's Bandh was such a resounding success because that was the people's sentiment against this government and the way they are impeding, justice being dispensed with. Rather than welcoming the Bandh and, supporting the victim to find out the perpetrators, Mamata Banerjee should have been remorseful. She should have been contrite. But she, like a cowardly tyrant, is using scare tactics. This is not going to work. And her statement about calling a special session of the assembly to pass a law, people don't buy this deception and farce anymore because Mamata Banerjee lacks even an ounce of credibility. The people do not believe in her duplicity or dubious deception because, they know that her actions have been contrary to what she's been saying. Yesterday, the Indian Medical Association has cancelled the membership of the disgraced principal Sandeep Ghosh. But what did Mamata Banerjee do? Soon as the incident happened, rather than dismissing him, they, made him a principal of a very renowned another government hospital in Kolkata. So the people of West Bengal do not believe in Mamata Banerjee, and the protests continue. After the High Court has transferred the case to the CBI, after the Supreme Court has taken cognizance, the people are out on the streets and the protest is continuing because they know that as long as Mamata Banerjee continues as the police minister and the chief minister, an impartial and free and fair investigation in the case will not be possible and justice can never be delivered. So, as a very important office holder of a constitutional position like a chief minister, that too of an important state like West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee has failed to provide justice, and she should not only resign immediately, but she should apologize to the country for having impeded, in the providing justice to the victim and her families, and she should apologize to the people of West Bengal and to the entire country for the way in which she and the TMC government have conducted or rather handled and mishandled affairs in this grievous incident.